We wanted to try out a few different camera settings from the GoPro on today's ride. I went with 4K and I am pretty happy with how it's come out. Harry went in a different direction and I wonder if you can tell what's my footage and what's his. Christ, Harry. Alright, so attempt 2. It's Sunday, Australia Day. Yesterday obviously was really frustrating, but we managed to fix Harry's bike. He's all packed up. We're going to head over to the Watergans, where Harry's put some routes through what might be burnt forest, we'll see. It might be closed, in which case we'll find a different route. But heading north, not sure where we're going to end up. Let's go.
We'll figure it out.
Figure it out. All the boats out for Australia Day. Look at all the cool old buses. They're awesome. And people inside were wearing hats. Oh, we are going left. Oh, see, I wasn't ready. I'm ready now. Time to go get some sustenance. We just stopped at Wiseman's for lunch. We're just waiting a sec because Harry's straightening up his handlebars because they got crooked.
Bit bent when I was picking him up one time because I don't think I tightened them up enough. Plus these rocks pivoting risers, there's sort of so many ways they can be.
Yeah.
And they are not the right way.
Okay, so quickly sorting that out and then getting the ferry. Getting off the tarmac. Oh god, I'm so hot.
Oh, I'm so hot too. Oh.
Where you guys going? Well, we meant to head out yesterday, but somebody tried to steal the bike, so they cut all the wires, so I had to spend a day wiring it back together and putting a new fuse in. And now we're going to head up to, I think we're going to spend tonight at Newcastle.
So where did they try and steal it from?
We live in the middle of Sydney, so it's just parked on the street there, and somebody's come up and cut the wires.
I thought the battery was dead for the longest time, and it was after about half an hour of
trying to jump start it.
Oh, okay. And then you noticed the wires all cut?
Yeah, and I looked out.
What low life, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, well I'm going to get a cup of coffee.
Alright, great.
Yeah, it's good to see you. Yeah, likewise.
Yeah, say hi again.
I'll see you next
Are you happy if we include you in a video?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
First time ever we've been recognised. It's like, I think you'd be hard pressed to keep it out.
Okay.
You really have made our day.
Yeah.
What were you thinking, Harry? It's in 4:3 aspect. You don't even have sound. I've had to add that in.
What are you up to for Australia Day?
Go to the water hole, man.
Where's the water hole? Ah, secret places. That's the right idea though. We need to find somewhere to swim by the end of the day.
Yeah. Yeah, but... Cheers. What happened? You wanted it to happen. We're going back there. Sure? Thank you. It's really interesting coming back here after the bushfires. We were last here in August and it looked completely different. Looks a bit different, doesn't it? Look, there's the same car. Everything's green. Oh, Harry. By the way, this is about a 40-degree day and it is so humid. There's no wind, there's no air. We had other riders telling us that they had got heat stroke on the same day. And I've just broken my wing mirror. Let's go. Right next. Time to get a hotel, I think. Thanks for checking out this episode. Bit of a short one. Next week should be pretty interesting. Please, in the meantime, like the video and subscribe, and have a great week. Harry, your footage in the next episode is still crap. Bye.